Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Happy Like Her, and I'm Vaishali. If you're new to my channel, I make food videos, lifestyle, home organization, vlogs and many more other things. Please do subscribe to my channel and become a part of my beautiful happy family. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I pack for my holidays. As you guys know, I'm going on holidays. As I told you in my previous video, if you have not watched my previous video, I will give a link of the video somewhere here. And finally, it's time to tell you guys, I'm going to Bali for my holidays. I'm super excited. Holidays are always the best things. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I do my packing. So without a further ado, let's get started.
So I start with deciding which bag to take depending upon the weight limit. I chose this bag because it's very lightweight and has a lot of space. I start off with deciding everything from clothes to shoes to jewelry, etc., and then assemble them all together. Starting off with my husband's clothes, which he has already chosen, and then moving on to my outfits. I'm going for 5 days and I have already decided all the outfits for each day and one extra in case if I need it. Then I will pile up everything and keep it aside because it's easier later to just pick up the pile and put in the bag. Now I'm keeping my swimwear and 2 pajamas and 2 tops for wearing at home, and also a shrug and a scarf if it's too hot and sunny. Let's move to packing the makeup stuff. I'm using this pouch to pack my makeup. The stuff that I'm carrying is a sunscreen from Banana Boat, foundation, concealer, compact powder, eyeshadow palette, highlighter, a blush, mascara from Maybelline, few of my favorite lipsticks, eyeliner, beauty blender, a perfume and a roll-on, moisturizer, eye makeup remover and a cotton pad, and primer, few clips, makeup brushes, hairbrush and comb. And now I will pack everything in the pouch. Now I will keep these stuff somewhere in the bag as there is not enough space in the pouch. Let's move to packing the accessories. I have already decided which one to take and I'm wrapping it in the paper to keep it safe. Now I will pack the toiletries. I like using my own things, so I'm carrying everything with me. This is the shower gel and shampoo, which I have packed in these travel size bottles as it's really easy to carry. And a clean and clear face wash, face scrub, toothpaste, toothbrush, a loofah and a bath bomb, and the toiletries bag is ready. Now let's keep all the assembled things in the bag. I'm keeping my husband's clothes and will keep my outfits next to it. And in the corner there is less space left, so I will roll the pajamas and the swimwears and will fit it there. Don't forget to give a good push to all the clothes to create more space in the bag. Now I'll keep the packed accessories in between the clothes to give it a bit cushioning and keep it safe. I have kept the bag of undergarments in the bag and will wrap the makeup pouch in my towel. And then keep the toiletries bag in the side. And also I'm keeping some instant noodles and a pack of chocolates. I'm also keeping an umbrella in case if it rains. And on this corner there's a lot of space left in the bag, which can be used later if I want to keep some other things in the bag, so I still have enough space left. And at the top I'm keeping a backpack because obviously I'm gonna do a lot of shopping there and we need more bags to bring stuff. And now in the outer pockets I'm keeping some shopping bags and some poly bags to keep dirty clothes. I'm now keeping the slippers which I have packed separately in poly bag so that the bag doesn't get dirty. And then I'm keeping my hairbrush and comb in the other pocket. Also I'm keeping the big bottle of sunscreen lotion here, which I have wrapped in poly bag too as I was unable to close it. And the check-in bag is all ready to go. And now I'm packing my hand luggage. I will keep my wallet, wet tissues, sunglasses, my house keys, deo, a comb, lip balm and a lipstick, hair clip and some hair ties, compact powder, and last but not the least, the most important thing, that's my passport. Now let's move on to the electronic items that I have to take along. So this is the weighing machine to weigh my luggage, portable charger, my phone charger, my hard drive, and also my camera bag in which I will keep my portable charger in. And now let's move on to keep everything in the bag. This is my medicines that I've kept in a small box. So here I'm done with all the packing. I also give a quick check of everything before leaving the house.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a lovely comment for me to read. So there would be no video for coming for a couple of days because I'm going on holiday and I'm not taking along my laptop with me. I would keep you guys updated through Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, don't forget to follow me there and you'll get all the updates from my holiday on Instagram. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay positive. Bye.